Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, especially from the tropical storms and hurricane. Hopefully you guys are making it through this crazy times. And now we got another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart right now and check out so they can ship this to you pretty fast. We are in prime time now, guys. We got the holiday season upon us. We have Halloween fast approaching, good old Thanksgiving, and then Christmas. Santa Claus will be here shortly, so I would suggest start looking now for people or yourself to get you something through this holiday season. And now we have here, ooh baby, coming from Dekala. These are good people. They got a lot of cool RGB LED lights. Here's a new one from them. The Dekala Aurora HDMI 2.0 sync box and light flow TV backlight kits. Bada boom. 4K, 2K, HDR. Oh baby. Nice size box, nice packaging. Got a cut right here. So you're gonna have to get your app ready. Install the software. It's called Dekala app. I'm sure they'll have a QR code and all that good stuff in the manual. Let's make sure you pick your size for your TV. So I just got the 50-inch. I didn't want to get the 70-inch one because I'm more on my 50-inch. We got the manual. We got the goodies in here. Open you up. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah, these are a lot different from the other models they had. Just wish I had a white TV now. I got a black TV, so I mean, it don't matter what it looks like from behind. But it's all good. Something new. Probably because the lights will work a lot better with this color, I think. Ooh. Here's a box. Okay, we got some stuff down at the bottom. Here, you guys can hear the rumble. That ain't my stomach. That's the weather guys up there. Oh, this is totally different. Alright. This should be a fun little setup. So you get 3 strips, probably for top, bottom, and side. I think I got room. Here's all the goodies in this box. Got some clamps or some brackets in this bag. They look like these. Put them on your back of the TV and then you run it like so. Wherever you want to mount it. We'll do that later. Right now, we got untangle, all this good stuff. Got another USB connector, HDMI cord connectors. And here we go, the main unit. And these are nice, so I definitely like these lights. You got different devices like your Xbox, your Blu-ray, you name it. And these will light up once it's activated and everything. So you got the dot there. Really cool stuff. Okay, like I said, there's an app for it. You're gonna have to download, sync up, and then hook up. That only takes a few minutes, so we're gonna Mosey on down. Download the app right there in case you lose a manual. And then Type C female neon light. Type C male. So I got the male and the female. They get it on. And see what I mean? That's cool. That's easy peasy. Basically, you just hook one female to the male. Bada boom, bada bing. It's really easy, guys. If I could hook it up, you guys could do it. So it says Type C, male to female. They got different examples. Example. Blue flashing, ready to connect. Blue disappear, connect Wi-Fi successfully. Red LED failed. Yellow, TV sync mode for movie. Green, TV sync mode for game. Purple, music mode. White load or white LED. Other lighting mode. It's all right there. Light mode selection, pressing the power, double press to choose a sub mode. Okay. There's an app. Like I said, open the app called Dekala. Or you can scan this little bad boy. Download the app. And blue connection. Then you can pick the ones that are listed. HDMI sync box. Change the password and all that good stuff. I got some controls here. You can do it through your mobile phone. Right now I'm charging my mobile phone or my smartphone. So that's why I'm showing you guys the manual. So try to kill some time. Then we're gonna hook this up. You can use Alexa. And then you can link your Smart Life account. So make sure you have that in handy. And it tells all the stuff. So really good manual. These are kind of manuals I like. Easy to explain. Well done. Excellent job. Aurora. Dekala. I think I butchered the name, but it's alright. Good people though. Like I said, click the link down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this one, make sure you pick your size for your TV and all that good stuff. So, it takes a few seconds. And you'll be all set. But like I said, this would be a nice little gift to give somebody, parents, or...
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, A Few Dollars More was a 1965 spaghetti western directed by Sergio Leone and starring Clint Eastwood and Lee Van
No one said nothing about
Does that
spaghetti.
answer your question?
Alexa, cancel.
Canceling.
Nobody said nothing about spaghetti here. She has a mind of its own. So we gotta take this way. Interesting. I am getting hungry though. Yeah, see now it's coming down. Oh yeah, we got the rain. Ooh. Well, drip, drip. Definitely stay safe, guys, out there today. Especially if you're on the East Coast, West Coast, Far East Coast. All good. Alright, here we go. Last one. I ain't got the twisty tie game down pat. Oh, man. Alright, so now, clean up a little bit. We're gonna hop over to my room. I gotta clean that up a little bit, but you guys won't know. Cool stuff. And then right back. Alright guys, once you get it installed, I'm gonna run it through underneath and then to my TV. But look at how bright these are. There's an app you can control it. Really nice, really colorful. So, and now, like I said, we just got to run it through the bottom and then put it on the TV. That's the next step. And then I'll show you the app on how to control it and everything else. And like I said, works with Alexa and others. So definitely sit tight. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got it hooked up. You can see it kind of how the light is. So really cool. I just wish it was darker out, but right now I got a lot of other stuff to do today, so I had to get this one up early. And this is the first thing that came in this morning so far, so definitely check them out though if you're looking for some new light strips. Easy to use, easy to hook up, really cool. A lot of cool features for the lighting modes and everything. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night.